Right now, you have money sitting in your bank account, and your bank is making money from it, without asking you and even without telling you. This isn't a secret. This is how banks work. Once you get it, you'll never see your account balance the same way as before. To understand how this works, let's go back 400 years. There was a goldsmith in London. People then had a problem. They had gold. It's heavy and not easy to carry. So they started bringing it to the goldsmith for safekeeping. The goldsmith gave them a paper receipt that said, "Bring this back, I'll return your gold." It was simple and safe. Then the goldsmith noticed something. People weren't coming back for their gold. So he started lending out the gold that wasn't his and charging interest on it. He was making money on money that belonged to someone. Your bank is like that goldsmith. This system is called fractional reserve banking. Here's how it works. You deposit $1,000 into your bank account. You think that money is sitting there safe and waiting for you. The bank only has to keep a little bit of that money on hand. In countries, including the US, that amount has been zero since 2020, so the bank can take your $1,000, lend it to someone else. That person spends it. It gets deposited into another bank. That bank lends out most of it. It gets deposited somewhere else. By the time this cycle ends, your original $1,000 has created up to $10,000 in the economy. Money that didn't exist before you made your deposit. Your balance still says $1,000. You still think your money is there. Technically it is. Now, here's where it gets personal. Your bank lends out your money at 7% interest. They pay you 0.5% on a savings account. The difference between what they charge and what they pay you is their profit. It's all based on your deposit. When something goes wrong, who steps in? The central bank, the government, and ultimately the taxpayer. This doesn't make your bank bad. This system has also helped people get mortgages, start businesses, and get out of poverty. Understanding it changes your relationship with money. People who know how this works don't just keep money in a savings account earning 0.5%. They put their money somewhere it works as hard as the bank works with it. The goldsmith figured this out in the 1600s. The banks have been running this play ever since. You just found out today. If this changed the way you see your bank account, hit like. It helps more people find this. Share it with someone who still thinks their money just sits in a vault. Subscribe, because every video on this channel is another system they never taught you in school. And drop a comment below. Did you know any of this before? Catch you in the next video. Until then, signing off.